The last strategy used for algebra skills would be the trigonometry identities. This is where you would use trig identities if the limit was approaching a certain number or infinity and sine, cosine, or tangent was in the equation. So let me show you an example. The first example would be the limit as x approaches 0, cosine x all over sine x minus 3. To break this down, let's draw the cosine curve, which looks like this, and then the sine curve, which looks like this. This would be 0. This would be 0. This would be 90, 90, and a 180. 180. So,
in terms of degrees.
Then you want to plug in 0 into the x. Then the cosine of 0 would be 1. So, 1. The sine of 0 would be 0 minus 3. So the limit as x approaches 0, we would get negative 1/3. Another example for trig identities would be the limit as x approaches 0 with the equation 1 minus cosine x all over x. Now to remind us, the cosine curve looks like this, with this being 0, 90, and 180. So if we plug in 0 where x would be, the cosine of 0 would be 1. So 1 minus 1, and plug where the x is, 0. So the limit as x approaches 0 would equal 0 over 0, which equals 0.